click on EC2, launch an instance, and give it a name called AWS-Jenkins, and select Ubuntu, and click Confirm Changes. And we use T2 macro, create a SSHP key pair, and we call it AWS-Jenkins .pem file, and create the key pair. This will be used for your SSH into this EC2. And yes, create a security group, and click on launch instance, and it's pretty fast and created successfully. Click on the link, click on instance, and click on this instance, and click on connect. So we can connect, use public IP, and click on connect. So now we are in the terminal of this EC2 instance. So first we need just update the Ubuntu instance. So sudo apt update, and then we go to this website, and we need get the copy this and paste it into the terminal, and copy this. So add this to apt repository, so paste it over here, and then we need apt update, and we need the JDK, so we need copy this and paste over here. Yes. And next is install Jenkins. Jenkins need a Java. Now we install the Jenkins. Tap yes to continue, and we'll install Jenkins. The website is pkg.jenkins.io, and I got the commands used for this installation. And Ubuntu is Debian distributor, so we can choose that Debian, and it's installed. So now we need enable the Jenkins service and start the Jenkins service. So sudo copy this and enable the Jenkins service, and then start the Jenkins service. Systemctl start Jenkins, paste it over here, and we can check the status. Systemctl, and this is Jenkins is running. We can Control C. Is it okay? So next we can go to our security group. So go to the instance security, and click on the security group and click on edit, add rules, custom TCP. We need open port 8080 and 0.0.0.0, and we can see our public IP, and bottom left is 13.221.81. Copy this and paste over here. And port 8080 and the Jenkins website. Copy this URL path and cat to this. I need sudo cat and paste the path. Sudo cat, and this we got the passcode. Copy this and paste it over here. So we unlock Jenkins, and we can install the plugins. And create your admin user, give a name, password, confirm password, name, email address, and save and continue. And this is your setting your Jenkins URL, and save and finish. So now it's ready. You can go to that URL, and this is your Jenkins page. So it's successfully installed.